Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change engine oil in your Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the right type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 7 quarts of 5W20, and a fresh oil filter. Finally, safely lift and secure your vehicle, ensuring it is level for proper drainage. Now, let's get to draining the old oil. Carefully locate and remove the oil drain plug from the oil pan. Allow all the old engine oil to completely drain into your suitable pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, reinstall the drain plug securely, making sure to use a new washer if recommended to prevent leaks. Next, it's time for the new filter and fresh oil. Remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of new oil to its gasket for a good seal. Install the new oil filter hand-tight, then give it an additional quarter turn with the wrench. Finally, carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the engine, typically around 7 quarts. For the final steps, start your engine and check for any leaks around the drain plug and new filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to properly dispose of your old engine oil at an authorized recycling center. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.